Hello and welcome to TechTipShub, your go-to channel for tech-related tips and tutorials. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best free video editing software for 2023. Video editing is an essential aspect of content creation, and having access to a good video editing software is crucial. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best free video editing software for 2023. DaVinci Resolve. The first software on our list is DaVinci Resolve. It's widely regarded as one of the best free video editing software available, with a professional-grade editing toolset. This includes advanced color correction and audio editing features, as well as a range of visual effects. One of the best things about DaVinci Resolve is that it's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it accessible to a wide range of users. OpenShot. Next up is OpenShot, a user-friendly and versatile video editing tool. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and has a range of features including video and audio editing, animation, and keyframe controls. OpenShot is a great choice for those who want a simple yet powerful editing tool. It also has a vast community of users who have created tutorials and plugins that can help you get the most out of the software. Shotcut. Shotcut is another open-source video editing software that's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a simple and intuitive interface and features like 4000 resolution support, a range of video and audio filters, and customizable keyboard shortcuts. Shotcut is perfect for those who want a free video editing software that's easy to use but still has advanced features. One of the best things about Shotcut is that it's constantly updated with new features and improvements. VSC Free Video Editor. VSC Free Video Editor is a powerful yet easy-to-use video editor that offers a range of features, including color correction, audio editing, and video stabilization. This software is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking videos without spending a dime. VSC Free Video Editor has a user-friendly interface, and it's available for Windows. Lightworks. The last software on our list is Lightworks, a professional-grade video editing software that's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a range of features including video and audio editing, color correction, and visual effects. Lightworks is perfect for those who want a powerful and feature-rich video editing software. However, the free version of Lightworks has some limitations, such as exporting videos in 720p resolution only. To access all the features, you need to upgrade to the paid version. So, those are our top 5 best free video editing software for 2023. There are many other options available, but these are some of the most popular and feature-rich software available for free. Before you choose one, make sure to consider your editing needs, computer specifications, and operating system compatibility. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.